Hello children, today we will learn about measurement of length. Every day you hold a pen or pencil to write something. Of course you hold a pencil and you take a sharpener to sharpen the pencil. You use a rubber to rub some mistake and you use color pencils to color the pictures. Have you ever thought about the length of these objects? No. The length of these objects will be different. Some are longer than the other. For example, a pencil is longer than your sharpener and color pencils. Yes? Now, the length of the things will be different. We use a meter scale or a meter rod to measure the length of objects. And the length of the object tells us how long or how tall an object is. Okay? Now, there are two units of measurement of length. One is non-standard unit of measurement. And the second one is standard unit of measurement. Standard unit of measurement. This non-standard unit of measurement was used in olden days. For example, your handspan, your cubit, pace, etc. were used before. If you measure the length of your maths book with your handspan, and the same maths book, if your father measured with his handspan, the measurement will be different. Why? Your hand is smaller than your father. So you will not get the same measurement. Suppose you are measuring the length of your room from one wall to the other with your foot span, and your father is measuring the same length, the length will be different because your legs are smaller than your father's legs. So, we don't use this non-standard unit of length to measure the length of objects. We use the standard unit of length to measure the length of an object. Now, what is the standard unit of measurement of length? Meter is the standard unit of measurement of length. Okay? In a geometry box, you have a scale. It has 15 centimeter. See, it starts from 0 up to 15 numbers are given. So, this small scale has 15 centimeter. And here there is a large scale. It has 30 centimeter. So, to measure the smaller objects, we use the centimeter and for longer or taller objects, we use the meter. Now, what is the difference between this meter and centimeter? This 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. M is a short form for meter and cm is the short form for centimeter. Remember children, there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Okay. You see the scale is divided into centimeter one side. There are 30 centimeters in this scale. You take out your scale from your geometry box and see the centimeters in your scale. Okay. For example, if I want to measure the length of this battery, how to measure the length of an object? You place the scale against an object and one end should be on the 0. Okay. Put one end on 0 and see the other end. It is 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Between two numbers there is a long line, that is half. So the length of this battery is 4.5 centimeter. If you want to measure the length of your maths book, take the maths book, take your scale. I am using a big scale. Okay. Put the scale against the book and one end should be on 0. Okay, and see the number on the other end. It is showing 24. So the length of your maths book is 24 centimeter. This is where you have so many things around you. Try to measure and see the length of these objects. Okay, when you measure with the scale and when your father measure the same thing with the scale, both of you will get the same measurement because meter is the standard unit of measurement of length. And remember, smaller objects we measure with centimeter and longer objects are measured in meter. Okay children? And then in the next class, I will explain how to convert meter into centimeter and centimeter into meter. With this, today's class, I wind up children. Thank you children.